wins. In our life, minsan sobrang gusto agad natin umakyat, gusto agad nating lumipad, maging malaki. Alam mo, na-realize ko sa buhay ko na hindi pala dapat ganun agad-agad. Dapat pala, we need to set small goals. Small goals and then quick wins. Ano ba yung mga low-hanging fruits na mabibilis ma-achieve? For example, bilang isang trader, pinaka long-term goal mo is maging sikat na trader na hinahangaan ng lahat. That's very big, but you wanna set small goals first. Yung mga small goals na yun will give you quick wins. For example, mastery of charting. And then number 2, mastery of self. Number 3 is to stay consistent with the goal. Mapapansin mo, long term, yung mga small wins or quick wins na yon will make you going. Will continue to keep you going. It will help you to become more excited on what's to come. Kasi small goals siya eh. Tapos, in long term, yung mga small goals na yon, it will form the big goal, the big picture. You set small goals and then eventually you get quick wins.